Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing some Pokemon. So, I've been a fan of Pokemon for a long time, but right? So, you need to find some new ways to play Pokemon other than collecting cards or just watching Ash and Misty on his adventures. So, here we go. And then we got this guy, and then of course we got Pokemon Go. So, today I was thinking we were going to play this a bit, because I've tended to really like this game, and I managed to get myself this boy right here, if you noticed, Articuno, so things will be a little easier, but I'm in that zone where everyone has one of these. So, let's hop to it. Connecting. Yeah. Okay. Activate abilities. Like my Articunos. Right. Some can be activated manually by the player. Okay, so we got... Someone just named themselves Jay. Okay, that's fine. Hi, Jordan. That's your name. So, what's that one? Okay, Timpson. I didn't know if you got the first move. Here you go. I'll just send out my Articuno first thing to scope the place. Because, I don't know what else to do. Alrighty. Yeah, I know, this is like a devious attack I've ever done. You know what, maybe I'll win if I do this. It's supposed to build up on your Pokemon forces, not to randomly attack. But Pidgey would be the best solution. Why? I don't know if you could just pause the video just then, but you could see in the corner an ability called Open Current. Any water types that battle this Pokemon, whether they win, lose, or even hurt each other in any way, he gets paralyzed. And of course, what else would he do? He'd, of course, strengthen his trap. Sorry. Okay, so we both missed. Okay, that's fine. I seriously don't care. I'm just gonna send out my Banette. Now, why I have such a weird Pokemon is that he, one, has an ability to go through other Pokemon, but two, he has the ability to, instead of taking a Pokemon to the Pokemon Center, which is these little plus circles right beside my bench where all my Pokemon are, there's a Pokemon Center. If I win, you'll go there, but, oh yeah, when I activated that thing, that was double chance, allows me to spin again, and there you go. So, if me or the Pokemon dies, we're sent out of the battlefield. Now, Lucario, okay, well, yeah, Lucario's trying to go in for the kill here. So, or Spear. I don't know what that does. Either the battling opponent or behind it in a straight line or knocked out. Good to know. Okay, so our Spear is one of those OPs. Good to know. Well, my Pokemon did not go to the PC because it was cursed as well. And I only really got one curse out. Super annoying, but fair enough. So also my trap hints there. He's really, the Squirtle's here not attempting to kill me because he's weaker. Yeah, he's really just trying to get Lucario over here, isn't he? And it's working. Good job. Okay, well, so that's some trap punch here. Alrighty. So, why I don't attack is if, in case he wins, he can't advance that Lucario ever. Ever. So, attack. So this guy can just be sent in here. Even though you can do 2 spaces, so if this guy dies, you can still catch up anyway. But I really should be thinking about taking out this champ here. Yep. Lucario is done. Well, I'm probably gonna get dig. Okay. He's gonna respin. When he gets like a left, okay. He's sad if he got a miss. He's sad. Okay, well. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. And then Nintendo also has an ability to hop over Pokemon as it wishes. Apart from Pokemon, you have the same ability. So I mean, like, honestly, you just hop over each other. So, right now I just got an Ice Strike. If you were watching the tip, some abilities can be activated manually. That's what I might do. Well, I should do this right now, because if I don't, I'm dead. There's an Umbreon. Oh, okay, well, if he does that, then he's stupid. Oh, shoot. I forgot to activate it. Oh, I'm screwed. Unless the Squirtle dies. Which it doesn't. It's dead. Oh. Yeah. And the champ could have killed me anyway, so. Grats, dude. I'm scared. You're gonna die. You're going to die tonight. Please, actually, get rid of him. It's fine. There's a paralyzed me. Oh. Good job. Oh yeah, Lucario, you're screwed. Oh my god. Time for me to activate one of these. Boop. 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 Dope. Yeah, too. Feel free to pause the video to see what these things do. But you just saw me equip something that said it just 50 more rounds and it just increased it by 50. So yeah. That's sick. That's even worse. Yeah, of course, I knew you'd do that, but... Okay, that's stupid. All because I didn't freeze it. Well, I think Squirtle would have moved it anyway. No, Squirtle's already there. See, if I froze him, he couldn't surround me. I mean, the Machop had to be the one to kill me. If not, then I'd win. I'd win. But, guess that didn't happen. Yeah, Lucario's really done with me. He's done with me. I'm not done that, so yeah. Take that. Well, I will beat you by time, if that's what it takes. So, oh yeah! Finally. Woo! Oh, see my Pikachu and my Crabhammer? It's been covered in this green looking mechanic. We're in the Poke Center right now. Pokemon can be in the Poke Center for like including less than a turn, depending on Voltorb, but apart from that, the Pokemon stays in there until another Pokemon dies to take its place. Oh yeah, that's like luck, dude. Because I barely get it. Oh yeah, let's go. Well, if you are aware, this guy's going to evolve into Charmander. So why don't I just put him in my deck? Because evolving increases the purple move star by 1 and increases the attack by 10 every time. Not only that, I quite like the Pokemon downform from it because it has a move that protects it to the slow Pokemon. So I can choose whether I want to evolve it or not. Really neat, I would suppose. Okay, well, not unless an opponent takes out that Machamp. I'm not doing anything tonight. That is not very smart. If you attacked it, then you could have made me fly away, but okay. Yeah, within about 2 turns, that Squirtle is a dead Squirtle. Yeah, but within 2 turns, we're gonna surround this. I know you could've done. You know what, Pikachu? If you move to if you move right here instead of just moving to the entry point to protect it, you could have saved yourself from surrounding. Now you have to kill my Articuno, Pikachu, or Machamp. If you don't, dude, what surrounding is, what I call it, is when a Pokemon is unable to move anywhere and can't move because your Pokemon is surrounding it. If one of his are helping you surround it, it doesn't work. Even though the Pokemon can't walk on its own team members. Which I think is quite neat. If your own team member is walking away, you can't go. So there you go, nothing you can do. Per round, you can only take out 1 Pokemon, but 2 if it's Explosion, but Explosion won't work in this case, so yeah. Unless he was like very lucky and he got a move like Earthquake. What that does is that makes every Pokemon on the field spin. The wheel like very small, like a small spin. And anyone who gets missed dies. So hopefully he would like get like both my Pokemon that are right beside the goal just to miss. Yeah, so that took up some time. So I hope you like it, and yeah, I'll see you later. Sorry if you guys could hear, but you know, I will make sure that there was no sound, but I'm pretty sure you heard me, so I'm gonna go check the video right about now. See you guys.